Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add picture to Canva resume. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a resume in Canva and I'm going to add my picture to this resume. First thing first, I'm going to delete this picture from the template. We can tap on the picture or the photo, then click on this delete button and then click on delete image. And I'm going to add my own photo to this resume. Go to the upload and you can upload file from your device. And I'm just going to use the image I have uploaded to the Canva. I will go with this one and we can drag this image to the frame. Okay, and now my photo has been added to this resume. But if the resume doesn't have like picture template or the picture frame, you can create the frame. But guys, I'm going to delete the frame. You can go to the elements and you can search for frame like this, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to add it to my oops, sorry guys, I'm going to undo. I'm going to drag this frame to the space like this. Then we will be able to add our picture or our photo to this frame. Go to the upload and then upload your photo. Add your photo to the frame. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a photo to Canva resume. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.